So how does auto-generated captions on Reels actually work? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can actually make an auto-generated caption for your Instagram Reels so that you don't have to enter the captions yourself, and I'm also going to explain to you how it actually works. So what you want to do is, first of all, let's say that you open up Instagram and let's say that you are a creator, right? And you post constant Reels with the voice. Maybe the clearer your voice is, the more clearer the captions and the auto-generated captions are going to be. So you want to keep that in mind. After you launch the Instagram app, you could just tap on the plus button from the bottom to post a reel. Go to the reel tab over here and then simply select a video or anything that you might want to upload to and just tap on the next button. And when you're done, when you're on the reel page over here, you might want to scroll down to the bottom and you'll find the option called advanced settings. And when you go into advanced setting, you can see the option called show captions. Now what this show caption does is that, let's say after you post this reel, it is going to automatically show the captions based on what you have actually said in the video, and whatever is being said, that is going to be analyzed by Instagram based on the language. As I said earlier, the clearer your voice is, the clearer the captions are also going to be. Users wouldn't need to really worry about what you actually said in the video. Now this process can also be done manually if you want to add captions, but this is just an automatic process and it may not be 100% correct, but 90% of the time it is going to get your job done. And that's simply what auto-generated captions mean on Instagram. You might have also seen on other Instagram Reels that suddenly a generated caption is actually coming up at the bottom of the screen without you having to press and tap on the CC button. Hope this video helped you out. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.